Truck fans, get ready. In 2024, a hybrid version of the Toyota Tacoma will be released. Toyota has solved some major issues with the departing model, giving it more strength and economy than its predecessor. You probably already know that when looking to purchase a dependable new or used truck, shoppers frequently turn to the Toyota brand. While online resources like Consumer Reports demonstrate that the Tacoma's 2023 and 2022 model years have some concerns with existing owners, others would argue that the vehicle has been unfairly assessed. The truck's comfort and vintage style were the main reasons it received a 52 out of 100 score for 2023. For the same fundamental justification, the value for the money category in 2022 received a 39 out of 100 rating, which contributed to the low score. The Toyota Tacoma Hybrid, which will be released in 2024, will be a brand new beast to replace the work trucks that have up to now been stuck in the past. Since the initial purpose of the pickup truck was to carry goods, it is obvious why Toyota would not want to modify this design. However, the current consumer has changed, therefore it is time for Toyota to keep up with the times. This is where the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid enters the equation. Let's take a closer look at what might soon be one of the best trucks available, if not the best of them all. Number 1. With more power and efficiency, Toyota's iForce Max hybrid technology will be featured in the next model, according to the carmaker. A 48-horsepower electric motor is coupled with a 2.4-litre turbocharged engine to produce 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Power for this motor, which is part of the 8-speed transmission, is supplied by a 1.87 kWh nickel-metal hydride battery pack. There is considerable skepticism regarding the new Tacoma's ability to match the Tundra iForce Max's performance, which is notable for having 437 horsepower. However, it is almost certain that the 2024 Tacoma will gain in strength and economy. The Lexus RX and Toyota Crown both feature the same configuration, and both produce significant level of horsepower and torque. Number 2, it features futuristic design. The Toyota Tacoma's last 2 model years' appearance and comfort, rather than their dependability or performance, were one of the greatest complaints consumers had with them. Toyota appeared to be stuck in the 1980s and 1990s, a time when trucks were still mostly employed for business purposes. The Toyota truck will reach new heights in sales and popularity thanks to the 2024 revamp and restyling, which was long in the making and is now complete. The truck's design for 2024 will be significantly more trendy and specifically tailored for the American market, using design influences from the Baja racing team. Wide and aggressive stance, large tires, slim body, aggressive skid plates, high-mounted headlights, side air intakes, and roof and rear spoilers will all be features of the Tacoma for 2024, all in an effort to improve the Tacoma's performance and attractive looks. Number 3. Fuel economy. It has not yet been revealed what the Toyota Tacoma Hybrid's performance figures will be in 2024, but we believe that it will have a higher fuel efficiency than its gas-powered equivalent, which now gets an EPA estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. The Toyota Crown, which is a sedan and hence more aerodynamic than a mid-size truck, scores an EPA estimated 42 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. For comparison's sake, the Lexus RX, on the other hand, is projected by the EPA to get 28 miles per gallon on the highway and 31 miles per gallon in the city. These numbers together indicate that the new Tacoma has the potential for good fuel efficiency. Number 4. New trim. There are at least 2 enticing possibilities for those who want to push their 2024 Tacomas to the limit. The Trail Hunter option, which Toyota has hinted may be available for the 2024 Tacoma, is reportedly designed with overlanding in mind. The Trail Hunter was displayed with tow hooks and an ARB off-road bumper, hinting the Tacoma will be equipped with a variety of outdoor-oriented accessories. Toyota has hinted that the popular off-road capable TRD Pro would return by branding the tailgate of the 2024 Tacoma with the TRD Pro moniker. with a variety of tough and tumble additions including Fox internal bypass shocks, a front skid plate, a raised suspension, and brawnier appearance. The TRD Pro is the top spec Tacoma for the current generation. It will be interesting to see if the Trail Hunter replaces the TRD Pro as the top Tacoma for the 2024 model year. Number 5. More trim levels. There won't ever be a truck that fits all needs on the market, at least not one that customers believe works that way. The reason for this is because some of you want a truck for work, some want one for fun, and yet others require a pickup that can be utilized for regular tasks like running errands and picking up the kids from school. Manufacturers everywhere try their utmost to make each truck they build fit into one of these categories. However, offering clients the option to purchase more than one trim level is the only way to accomplish the job properly. For 2024, Toyota went above and above by providing 8 unique trim levels, one for each aspect of your life that you appreciate. That is not to argue that you cannot drive a truck you buy that is made for off-road use to the grocery store. It just isn't true. Any task that you want to use a truck for can be done with any truck. It is just designed to specialize in one profession, thus it might not fit the other roles perfectly. Number 6. With bold colors, one thing is certain. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma is not the truck for you if you do not want to stand out in a crowd. This is true not simply because of the truck's aggressive and modern look, which gives off a strong initial impression. We are discussing color. To be more precise, exterior color. According to Toyota, buyers will have a choice of several colors for the Tacoma in 2024. Many of the familiar fundamental colors, like black and white, will be there, but beyond that, the possibilities are almost endless. Number 7. Towing capacity. Towing and load modifications ought to be included in the new Toyota Tacoma model. A load of up to 1,685 pounds and a towing capacity of 6,800 pounds are currently supported by the 2023 Tacoma. While carrying a load of up to 1,905 pounds, the 2023 Ford Ranger can tow up to 7,500 pounds. There are a lot of hopes for the 2024 Tacoma Hybrid in this area, especially with the additional power. The press statement, however, makes no mention of such excellent news. In reality, it could be argued that the opposite is true because it was made very obvious during the entire development process that the engineers' goal was to create an adventure truck. They weren't very concerned with increasing the towing capacity of the vehicle because it was the best adventure truck in the world, not just any adventure truck. With that in mind, the most recent data from the Toyota Media Center indicates that the non-hybrid models will be able to tow up to 6,500 pounds, while the truck equipped with the hybrid system will be even less capable, with a top hauling capacity of just 1,705 pounds. Number 8. Advanced features. Everything about the next Toyota Tacoma Hybrid is up for debate, including the interior and powertrain. While some reviewers and customers are ecstatic about the fresh, contemporary design of the 2024 Tacoma, others are more thrilled about the long-delayed update to the electronics housed inside. The new 2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid will feature everything you're looking for in a pickup truck, regardless of which way you lean. Similar to those seen within the Tundra model, the 14.0-inch screen will be included. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid will also offer top-of-the-line safety features, including some of the most cutting-edge technologies on the market right now. Number 9. Safety Sense 3.0. Nowadays, one of the most crucial features of any car is safety, which is why a lot of you look at new cars first. The cutting-edge technology systems put in automobiles today are really amazing. Thus it would be expected that they would be included in the brand new Toyota Hybrid of 2024. Thankfully, a Toyota media press release has verified that the pickup will be equipped with the most recent version of Safety Sense 3.0. With the addition of proactive driving assist, the new software updates have improved all the safety systems. In order to keep everyone safe, the system can now gently apply the brakes in corners or when a car or bicycle is approaching too closely. Number 10. Pricing. The Toyota Tacoma is one of today's most popular trucks, and the forthcoming 24 model features even more amenities. Do more things also cost more money? While the details of such features and their pricing are still unknown, it's reasonable to infer that they will cost more than the Tacoma from 2023. Any extra increase may be too great for some prospective purchasers, though, given that the starting price is already close to $28,000. However, Toyota consistently delivers a superb balance of high-quality engineering and affordability with its automobiles, so we are confident that regardless of how things turn out, it will ultimately offer outstanding value to its owners. And so, are you excited with the new 2024 Tacoma? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.